Guys, my question is if I can start my blog totally generated through AI, so what's the success rate of my blog, and also if Google doesn't accept AI content, so why most of the top rated bloggers said don't use AI content. They said you can just use AI for an idea. What do you say about this? Yeah, so we love using AI content, but we edit it. We have the content edited by humans. I can't really recommend that you do pure AI content spam sites. Um, I know some people probably are doing this, and some people have had like pretty big success with it, but they can also come crashing down pretty heavily. Um, yeah, so it's not really something I can recommend fully, but you can do it. And some people are finding success with it, but it is kind of risky, right? But at the bare minimum, you're also going to want to do stuff like add images into the content, maybe put some like videos in there, just to kind of, add something to the content rather than just these huge like walls of AI text, right? But if you actually want to create a sustainable website that you can eventually sell and that's not going to come crashing down, that other people will find value in, and that, actually has higher conversions and whatnot, we can't really recommend doing just pure AI sites, right? We're gonna have to recommend you do some human editing and adding images, whatever. And also, you also can't skip out on like your basic on-page SEO. A lot of these like AI content spam sites, they have like really kind of poor on-page SEO as well. But you can automate all that stuff as well with AI, with Google Sheets and whatnot, in a kind of like a large scale way. Kind of rambling now. Kind of forgot what I was talking about. Nick, what do you got on this?
No, I agree. I haven't had luck doing any kind of super automated AI stuff, which I was really hoping for in the end, coming up with systems that, you've got a prompter to get the right content out of the AI, then you've got an editor, et cetera, et cetera. Long story short, if you're looking for the biggest shortcut, then typically you're going to hinder your longevity. I even think I saw Julian Goldie, who we interviewed recently. If you haven't checked out that podcast, it's great on AI. But I think I saw a recent video where he said one of his AI sites that was doing really well completely tanked.
Really? I'm gonna have
Yeah,
to look for that. I haven't been watching like
yeah.
any YouTube videos for like a couple
Yeah,
weeks now.
now I haven't watched the video, but I did go over it, and then I remember clicking on it, and yeah, so I think that's going on, and it doesn't surprise me because there's been a lot of volatility in the SERP.
Yeah.
So what I would advise, you is either you can set up a team to edit AI properly, or you can use a service provider that does edited AI content and go through there. I know Content Pit does it. I know Surfer does it, and countless other
Surfer does it?
people are options.
Surfer offers
Yeah.
human editing?
Oh, actually, I don't know if they do offer human editing. It might just be
Yeah, okay, gotcha.
all automatically pulled, huh? Yeah. So anyhow, look down some options, but yeah, like Content Pit I know does. And last I saw, I think they were doing pretty good with it. So
Yeah, you,
yeah,
you can find, you can find like human AI editors. You can even go on like Upwork or whatever if you want to like build your own team. But yeah, make sure, they're showing you like before and after kind of stuff. And definitely more than just editing the content, also like adding images is, super good. Embedding videos can help a lot. That sucks about Julian's site. I'm gonna have to dig around, see if I can find that video. But like Nick said, it's not surprising at all. Like, and even Julian knew this stuff. He talked about the projects honestly. He'd always say, I can't recommend you do this. I'm having some fun with these tests. I'm just having a good time here, seeing what's possible. And right now they're working, but they might not be working tomorrow. So this is the nature of SEO and AI. Google, one other thing about your question is you said Google doesn't like AI content. That's not true. Google AI content is just fine, and it actually says in their content guidelines, they say that they don't care how the content was written as long as it helps the author and is like basically like unique or whatever. So more important than being AI or not, you want to add something to the conversation. You want your content to be somewhat unique, which is why editing is important, because if you're just having AI content, it's literally just like regurgitating same exact stuff without any kind of like unique spin or anything on it. So yeah, definitely, if you want your project to last, we have to recommend editing the AI content. Whether yourself or hiring someone or paying a service to do this, these are all options. But yeah, we still like using AI for content, and yep, that's where we're at with it now. Hey everyone, thanks for watching. Be sure to check the links below for more info on this topic, as well as other cool stuff like SEO case studies, our Facebook community, and our link building services. And like always, please like, comment, and subscribe if you enjoyed the video. Thanks, and happy ranking.